Hi teachers, it's Matthew from Griffin Education Enterprises, and in this video, Great GIFS, how to make your storefront 1% better, I'm going to show you how to create a GIF in PowerPoint that you can use in your storefront. So this is probably geared towards two people, beginning TPT authors and the TPT authors who don't know how to create GIFs. Once again, I'm by no means an expert, I'm just simply sharing what I've learned. So, as you can probably see now, I've got the GIF playing in the background from my storefront, and it's alternating between three scenes. Now, before we actually get into the GIF, I'm just going to sort of show you a couple of little things that might be confusing at first, and I'm going to show you the location of where you're actually going to insert the GIF first. So I'm going to head over to another TPT author called Miss Girling's Classroom. Now, this part here that I'm looking at is known as the personal quote. Some people put a personal quote there, some people don't. That's perfectly fine. Whereas down here, that is the horizontal banner. If you go back to mine, I haven't done a horizontal banner yet. I've simply inserted my GIF for my storefront into my personal quote because I think it's a better location. Now, before we actually start creating it, I'm going to show you a Chrome extension that's absolutely invaluable. It's called ColorZilla, and it's basically an eyedropper feature within Chrome itself. And this is going to be really useful for when you're trying to sort of determine the colors. So if I go back here to my storefront, if I click on the eyedropper once again, and if I go into the corner here, all of a sudden, I've actually got the background color of the personal quote area. So once you click on that, that'll copy it to the clipboard and you can paste that into PowerPoint to get the background color to match your GIF. All right, that's done. Excellent. Moving on. So the location of this, to find it, is as follows. So you click over here, you'll see you've got My Account. Then once you're in My Account, which I'm actually in now, you want to go to Store Profile, which is over here, and there you see Personal Quote, and you've got the Edit button over there. All right, let's look into the GIF and how I made it. Now, you'll see I've got all these different frames. Now, I personally recommend that you do 6 frames that are the same, so you make your design, copy and paste it 5 more times to make sure you've got 6. You'll then see down here, I've got another 6 frames. And finally, down here, another 6 frames with my social media. Now, that's the first step. You need to sort of get your frames. You need to have at least 6 frames. If you have less than 6 frames, then I think the GIF actually looks too fast and it's a little bit jarring of an experience for the customer when they hop into your TPT storefront. Now, how to get started? All right, so I've got a blank slide here. You go to Insert, then we're going to go to Shape, and you're selecting the rectangle. Now, we want this to sort of match the whole screen, which it's done. Shape Format, as usual. Shape Fill, Shape Outline, no outline. Now, in Shape Fill, we're going to go to the, the More Fill Colors. And here we can see the hexadecimal code. So we're just going to paste in the color we got from ColorZilla off of the TPT website. And there we go. Now our GIF matches the background. Okay, so I've done that. Now, I'm going to change one of the colors in my storefront just to sort of make you see that I've actually done this correctly. So I'm just going to quickly go ahead and do this now. I'll speed up the video to make sure you're not sort of watching this whole thing. Okay, now that I've done that, this is the part that a lot of people might not necessarily know. To turn this into a GIF, you'll need to go to File, Save As. Now in this drop-down box here, you'll see a heap of different formats you can save your file as. Now, right down here is animated GIF format, GIF. We'll save that. Okay, our new GIF has just been created. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to then upload this to my storefront. Now I did forget to mention one thing, so I'll quickly show you that now. In order to get the right dimensions for the personal quote, you need to go to Design, Slide Size, Custom Slide Size. Now once you're in your custom slide size, you want to get your dimensions as 45.2 centimeters by 15.7. Even though it's changed it to that, that's perfectly fine. That's the pixel dimensions of the personal quote. So just make sure you do that first before you start creating your GIF. Load this to my storefront. So we'll go back here. Now once again, we go to my account, store profile, edit. So we'll go right down to choose file. So I'm just going to select that now. There we are, official GIF. And it's the morning, excellent, open. And we're going to click save. So as you can see, the change that I've made to my GIF has now successfully been uploaded, and it's flicking through that with that color. Now, one more thing, if you're looking for, another tip I'm going to give you, if you're looking for free logos to put in your social media, free PNG logos is a great place for getting your transparent backgrounds and so on. So this is just another little value add that I'm showing you in this video. While people are still going to judge you on your content, you've only got a few seconds to actually gain the attention of your customer. And I think by having a GIF in this format, it does show that you take your storefront seriously and that you put more effort into your products. Hopefully you've got some inspiration about what you can use to potentially make your storefront that 1% better. Anyway, that's it. That's me. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment down in the section below of YouTube. I love speaking to teachers who want to engage with my content. I'm very big on community engagement. So thanks for listening. Ciao.